We're Rachel and Austin, traveling the USA in our Winnebago Revel, with our dog Olympia living her best life. Today, we're out in the great state of Kentucky, visiting Churchill Downs. Ooh-wee, it is hot. We are going to the Kentucky Derby. Well, no. We are in Kentucky and we are going to horse races, but it is not the Derby. We started our day by placing some bets.
I guess I ever thought I'd be here.
Now it's finally time for the races to begin. Our goal is to at least make back what we spent to be here. If not, we'll just have a good day.
There's no way.
Trying to cool off from the heat, we ventured inside to cool off with some Kentucky bourbon. Is this where we win?
I think so.
We should definitely win this one. We got it! We won. You can really see Austin's pure excitement.
I won my first horse race.
Now it's time to check for our winnings. How's that feel?
It feels like money.
I'm at a 15-1 win, place, show. If I do win a long shot, dinner's on me.
Oh, is that right? I'm winning right now. You look like you're gonna win too.
We're gonna win. Let's go! No! I'm not gonna win. Oh, we're both gonna lose. We both lost. Austin has the bug now, and now he's betting each race after seeing the horse. Probably a better idea than me just picking some bets.
Yeah, I think so too. It's Buffalo Shuffle.
Oh my god! So that was really close.
Let's go find out how much money we made. $4.60. Fabulous Fanny, she may not be a winner, but she's a winner to us. We're geniuses. This is how you definitely don't get rich. Yeah, we didn't win. Not even close.
Final race of the day. No surprise we didn't win that one either. Alright, Kentucky, it's been real hot, but it's been fun.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye. We parked next to a Super C, and we look tiny. Ooh-wee. It is hot out here.